and straight into the light. Come out of the shadows, tomorrow we will shine so bright. Out of the shadows and straight into the light. Come out of the shadows, tomorrow we will shine so bright. The shadows, the shadows. Out of the shadows, tomorrow will shine so bright.
Our quality was really good. I mean, whatever promised during the initial phase of discussion was exactly the same products and materials used. So we did not find any issues there. So we were really excited about the project because, as I mentioned, it was our dream house. We are really happy, and thank you Avilata Builders for making this happen for us. So good wishes for the team, and we wish you have many more projects and